Increasingly, as the 19th century went on, there was marketing of cream through the railroad network.
Milk was not sold as fluid milk, it was sold as butter. The milk would be placed in 40-quart cans, it would be put into a kind of running water, like a spring cooler, and kept cool and then brought to the creamery, and they would make butter, and that was the product that they had for sale.
Don Tuller is the 7th generation of his family to operate Tull Meadow Farm in Simsbury since 1768.
The reason that Tull Meadow Farm is still in existence is because of our ability to change as we needed to change. In 1983, we decided that we were a 75-cow dairy, that we either needed to get bigger or do something different. So we planted a large garden that year and just started some self-service direct marketing. We put out a table and had tomatoes and sweet corn on it. From there, the farm store has evolved. We started making ice cream in 1994. That has grown to be the biggest part of our business. We see approximately 90,000 customers a season for ice cream. Agriculture is a business. And how many businesses are doing things exactly the same way they did? I mean, very few can. I'm thankful that we are in an area where we're close to a busy street. We're in an affluent suburban community. Location is critical.
The suburbanization that supports Tull Meadow Farms has more often taken farmland for development.